So if you look at that, man, that looks OEM. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. We're glad you're here with us. What we got here today is another little mod that we got for our 2017 TRD Off-Road Toyota Tacoma 3rd Gen. And what these are some brand new custom floor mats made by Metasasi. So Metasasi, they're a company on Amazon. You can pick these suckers up. We'll put the link down below for you, but what we thought we would do is kind of stare and compare these things to our factory mats and just kind of go over with you what they look like, see if they'll be a good OEM replacement. This might be something that you want to pick up if you need to change yours out or you just want something different. So let's get them unboxed here and check it out. So what I got out here, I went and grabbed the original OEM floor mat out of the passenger's floorboard. And I thought I'd just compare these mats. These are Metasasi, these are the OEMs. So they look very, very, very similar, if not identical, you know. I mean, they look really good. They look like they're maybe just a little bit thicker. I mean, this has got like a little, you know, the edge is kind of rippled up a little bit. This one's nice and smooth. It feels like it might be a little bit thicker. And then it looks like it's got some good teeth here on the bottom to stick into the carpet. So, I mean, I'm thinking that you know, if you need some good OEM replacement mats, I mean, these are like 89 bucks on Amazon. So that's a pretty good deal. Let's stick this mat in the truck and see how it looks. So if you look at that, man, that looks OEM. That looks beautiful. So everything fits nice and snug in here. Everything is looking good. So I mean, that one fit well. Let's see how the drivers fit. So just like that, just like the passenger side, man, it went right in. It lasts right down. It's got a really good look with the black carpet in this truck. So far so good. We just got one more to go. All right, so what we got here is the one for the back seat. This one is, I guess in shipping it, you know, I probably should have laid it out in the sun. If you buy these, you probably want to lay it out in the sun, let it get formed back where it's at. But here's our OEM mat. Here's our replacement mat. They again, they look exactly the same. So let's just stick this one in. Let's see how it looks. So here we are. We came up here in the woods. We're gonna try these things out just to see how these two trucks do. The weather's not been cooperating very well, but you know what? We're testing these floor mats out, and I'll show you here. These things are gonna be just fine. So if you need an OEM replacement, you're looking for some floor mats, like I said, we'll put the link down below. You know, give them a try. They're hands down. They fit just like they say they will. They're a custom floor mat, and you know, all in all, I like them. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. We're glad you subscribed. We're glad you're back here. Today we're here again with our 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road, and we got another mod. They just come in. It's these LED smoked amber Raptor lights, grill lights, whatever you want to call them, like the Ford Raptor has. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna snap these in this TRD Pro grill, and we're gonna wire them up to the marker lights. So when you turn the headlights on, these suckers are gonna fire up, and they should glow a beautiful amber just to accent the front of this truck. So let's get to it. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna wire this thing up to this fuse position right here. Just gonna use an add a fuse, 10 amp. just a 10 amp out to the lights. And basically they're gonna come on when the headlights are on. So that's how we decided to do it. So we'll mock it up here and check it out, make sure it all works, and then we'll run the wires and plug the lights in. Man, that looks wicked sweet with them yellow lights right through there. So we decided to put them 1, 2, 3, 4 right here over the Toyota. But you could put them here, every other one if you wanted to, or you could put them down here. You could put them up and down. You get 2 sets, whatever you want to do. But we thought that looked the best, so that's the way we went with it. So now we're going to just tidy up all our wires, tie everything up with some cable ties, get it all looking real good, and then that'll finish this job up. Okay, so we made pretty quick work of that. Took us a few minutes to identify which fuse we was gonna use, but we just used the added fuse, and then drilled a tiny hole there in the fuse box, sealed it back up, run the wires, run everything out here, tied it all up, made it look nice and neat, and then look at this. Look at those orange lights up front. I mean, it's just like, rawr, you know, I mean, it's like a Raptor, but it's a Tacoma. And I mean, this is sweet, and I really like the way it looks. So stay tuned, see what we do next. Might as well get the oil changed and go ahead and get ready for this thing to hit the road. We got our oil filter, we got us some oil down there. So we're ready to put the 6.2 quarts in this thing and go ahead and get the old stuff drained out, get the new stuff poured in, get the new oil filter on, and we'll be all set. We got the genuine Toyota oil filter, so it came with the new seals. We're gonna go ahead and change these O-rings out and get this thing put on. That went real nice. So we've got 6.2 quarts of 0x20 fully synthetic in this thing, brand new Toyota filter. We're gonna fire it up here and check the oil. Well, that took care of that oil change. So there's a couple more things we want to do here while we're doing some maintenance here. We're gonna fill up our windshield washer fluid, get that all topped off. Then we're gonna check the fluid in our differentials, the front and the rear. So just make sure that they're full and everything looks good in there. So that's what we're gonna hop to right now. So we got that all done. We got the skid plates back, got the oil change, got all that stuff checked. Everything's checked, the windshield washer fluid's full. I mean, our maintenance items are about done on this truck. So we can't have a clean, spotless truck in a bed full of mud. So we just washed that Florida, Alabama mud out the bed. Check this stuff out. So we got our Tacoma out. We're just riding it around, you know. Just stopped at the gas station. Man, this guy, he said, man, that's a nice Tacoma. I mean, broke his neck looking at it. We knew it's gonna turn heads. But we're headed up here to JP's. We got a couple things to do. We gotta paint a bumper for a Honda Civic, a 2015 Honda Civic. So it needs a new bumper, and we gotta do that. One of my cars. So we had an unfortunate accident, it happens. You know, not a big deal. We're gonna paint that bumper, you know, get that stuck on. Then we got our new build that we're gonna look at up here. Maybe get some work done on that too. So I'm hoping everything goes good. Wish us luck. We all noticed that we hadn't had the battery tied down because we had to order that part from Toyota. It just come in. We're gonna pop it in here. So we are back here with our 2017 Toyota Tacoma because it did have one little issue that we're finally going to address here. Check this out. No beep. So oddly enough, I think the clock spring's bad. It's about what it's got to be. So we're going to try to swap that out right now. My God, we have destroyed this truck. That's all right. We got to take our steering angle sensor off right here and put on our new clock spring. So we're gonna figure out how to do that right now. First time. That's just a little beeping horn. That's a blaring horn. I think Phyllis likes it. Phyllis. Who's Phyllis? In the back seat. And that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We hope you've enjoyed the mod we've stuck on here on this truck and got it all fixed up the way we like it. If you do have a specific question on what we've done and how we've done it, please drop that in the comment below. Give us a thumbs up. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, we're out.